From backyard tinkerers to daring inventors, these homemade planes are nothing short of incredible. Watch as these creative pilots push the limits of engineering and imagination, turning scrap metal, wood, and everyday materials into flying machines that actually take to the skies. Some are wild, some are hilarious, and all of them prove that with enough passion and determination, anything can fly. Product 1. Product name, PIK-26 Mini Sytky. The PIK-26 Mini Sytky is a Finnish-designed two-seat home-built aircraft, developed as an efficient, lightweight, and economical option for aviation enthusiasts. Known for its wooden construction and composite features, the Mini Sytky emphasizes simplicity and cost-effectiveness while still offering reliable performance. It typically seats two people in a side-by-side configuration and is powered by a small piston engine, making it an accessible project for amateur builders. Its aerodynamic design allows for good fuel efficiency and stable handling, which has made it popular among hobbyist pilots seeking a practical yet enjoyable aircraft. As a kit plane, the PIK-26 Mini Sytky represents the balance between affordability, ease of construction, and dependable flying characteristics. Product 2. Product name Food Warming Mat. The **Janowski J-2 Polonez is a Polish light sport aircraft designed by Jarosław Janowski as a two-seat development of his earlier J-1 Prasniczka. First flown in 1972, the J-2 Polonez features a low-wing monoplane configuration with all-wood construction and fabric covering, embodying traditional craftsmanship while offering affordable performance for sport and recreational flying. Equipped with a fixed tailwheel undercarriage and powered by a small piston engine, the aircraft was intended for private owners, aero clubs, and homebuilders. Its design emphasized simplicity, ease of maintenance, and economical operation, making it well-suited for pilots seeking a straightforward, light, and reliable aircraft. Although built in limited numbers, the J-2 Polonez remains notable for its contribution to post-war Polish aviation and for extending Janowski's vision of creating practical, low-cost sport aircraft accessible to a wide range of enthusiasts. Product 3. Product name Berkut 360. The Berkut 360 is a modern, highly versatile agricultural and land management machine designed to deliver exceptional performance across a wide range of farming and fieldwork applications. Engineered with a focus on power, precision, and operator comfort, the Berkut 360 combines advanced hydraulics, efficient power transmission, and rugged construction to handle demanding workloads in diverse environments. Its 360-degree maneuverability and robust attachment system make it well-suited for plowing, tilling, seeding, and material handling, while its ergonomic operator controls and durable chassis ensure long-lasting reliability. Built for professional farmers and land developers, the Berkut 360 is a dependable choice for those seeking efficiency, adaptability, and productivity in daily operations. Product 4. Product name Ctreative Venture. Here's an overview of the Ctreative Venture, putting together its design, development, performance, and how it fits into the context of high-performance home-built aircraft. What is the Ctreative Venture? The Ctreative Venture is a two-seat, all-metal kit aircraft from the US, intended for amateur builders. It had its first flight on the 1st of July 1987. Designed by Jim Griswold, formerly chief engineer at Piper Aircraft, along with Ed McDonough. Griswold used experience, notably from the Piper Malibu, to inform the design. Design and features. Configuration and structure. Low-wing monoplane, side-by-side seating for two, baggage space behind the seats. Streamlined design meant to give maximum performance in a relatively small airframe. It uses pre-formed, multi-curvature panels and all-metal construction. Landing gear. The standard Venture has a retractable tricycle undercarriage. There is a variant called the Spirit with fixed, spatted, main gear, but with the nose gear still retractable. Engine and power plant. Powered by a Continental IO 550G engine, a 6-cylinder, horizontally opposed, air-cooled engine producing about 280 horsepower. Performance and specifications. Weights. Empty weight is about 1,200 pounds, maximum takeoff and landing weight is tilde 2,000 pounds. Useful load tilde 760 pounds. Fuel and range. Fuel capacity about 54 gallons, usable tilde 53.5 gal. Range can reach tilde 1,000 nautical miles at cruise with VFR reserves. Speeds and climb. Cruise speed in the neighborhood of 240 ktas at tilde 12,000 feet. Top speeds exceed that, with VNE, never exceed, speed reported up to 300 kias. Rate of climb at sea level better than 2,500 feet per minute. Stall and maneuvering characteristics. Clean stall speed, gear up, flaps clean, around 68 kias, in landing configuration tilde 61 kias. The airframe is stressed for high G loads, tilde plus 6G minus 3G when solo, somewhat less at gross weight. Product 5. Product name Landcare Legacy. Here's an overview of the Landcare Legacy, a high-performance kit-built aircraft, drawing on its design, performance, variance, history, and what sets it apart. If you want, I can also compare it to similar aircraft. Overview. The Landcare Legacy is a two-seat, single-engine, light aircraft marketed in kit form. It was developed by Landcare, later by Landcare International, LLC, as an evolution of earlier models, notably the Landcare 235, 320, 360, designed to deliver greater speed, comfort, and improved handling while retaining their kit ethos. Design and development. Airframe and construction, composite construction, using vacuum-formed composite, sandwich, materials. High emphasis on smooth surfaces, low drag, and laminar flow over the wings. Wing. The Legacy's wing is a double taper design, chosen to optimize lift distribution route to tip. This eliminates what is called washout, twist in the wing to reduce tip stall, giving better performance. Fowler flaps are incorporated to boost lift at low speeds. Fuselage, cabin, redesigned for more comfort, wider, taller cabin, more headroom and shoulder room, a large canopy for enhanced visibility, and baggage space suitable for cross-country use. Landing gear comes in fixed gear, FG, or retractable gear, RG, versions. The retractable gear version offers better performance but with more complexity. Variants. Several versions of the Legacy exist, differing mainly in whether the landing gear is fixed or retractable, engine power, and airframe materials. Legacy RG 550, retractable gear, typically with a 310 horsepower Continental IO 550 engine. Highest performance model. Legacy FG 390, FG 550, fixed gear versions. The FG 390 is a lighter, less expensive version, less engine power, than the FG 550. The fixed gear version trades off some speed and complexity for simplicity, lower maintenance, and lower cost. There is also a special variant, e.g. used by the Colombian Air Force, called Lancair Synergy, based on the FG with modifications for trainer use, larger wing area, leading edge cuffs, ventral fin, and other stability, low-speed improvements. Performance. Here are typical performance figures for the higher-end version, RG, with strong power plants. Parameter value. Wingspan 25 feet 6 inches, almost equal to 7.77 m. Length 22 feet, almost equal to 6.71 m. Empty weight almost equal to 1,500 pounds, almost equal to 680 kilograms. Max gross weight almost equal to 2,200 pounds, almost equal to 998 kilograms. Fuel capacity 65 US gallons, almost equal to 246 liters. Cruise speed, retractable version, 276 miles per hour, almost equal to 444 kilometers per hour, at 8,000 feet. Stall speed, flaps down, 65 miles per hour, almost equal to 105 kilometers per hour. Product 6. Product name Bearhawk 5. The Bearhawk 5 is a rugged utility aircraft designed to deliver exceptional performance for backcountry flying and demanding operations. Built as the largest model in the Bearhawk lineup, it offers expanded cabin space, increased payload capacity, and enhanced versatility compared to its predecessors. With seating for up to 5, a spacious cargo area, and the ability to operate on short and unimproved airstrips, the Bearhawk 5 is tailored for pilots who need both practicality and reliability. Its high-wing configuration, sturdy construction, and strong performance with a wide range of engines make it suitable for everything from family adventures to bush flying and utility transport. Combining traditional craftsmanship with modern design improvements, the Bearhawk 5 stands out as a capable and dependable aircraft for pilots seeking freedom and flexibility in the skies. Product 7. Product name Texas Parasol. The Texas Parasol is a unique, experimental home-built aircraft that stands out for its lightweight construction and simple design. Created with affordability and accessibility in mind, it features a high parasol wing configuration that provides excellent visibility and stable flight characteristics, making it especially appealing for recreational aviators. Typically constructed from tubular aluminum and fabric-covered wings, the aircraft is designed for easy assembly by amateur builders while maintaining reliable performance. Its open cockpit setup offers a nostalgic flying experience, reminiscent of early aviation. Compact, efficient, and straightforward to maintain, the Texas Parasol continues to attract enthusiasts seeking a do-it-yourself approach to sport aviation without the complexity or cost of more advanced models. Product 8. Product name Mini IMP. The Mini IMP is a compact yet powerful piece of equipment designed for specialized construction and civil engineering applications where precision and efficiency are critical. Unlike larger machines that require significant space and setup, the Mini IMP offers a versatile and maneuverable solution, making it ideal for confined work environments. Built with durability and operator ease in mind, it incorporates advanced technology to streamline operations such as soil mixing, ground improvement, and stabilization tasks. Its smaller footprint allows contractors to achieve professional-grade results in areas where traditional heavy machinery may not be practical. By combining reliability, portability, and performance, the Mini IMP serves as a valuable tool for projects requiring effective ground engineering solutions with minimal disruption. Product 9. Product name Dike Delter. The Dike Delter is a versatile and high-performance dredging and excavation machine designed for heavy-duty industrial and environmental applications. Engineered for precision and efficiency, it excels in dredging waterways, canals, and harbors, as well as in land reclamation and sediment management projects. The Dike Delter combines robust structural design with advanced hydraulic systems, allowing it to handle large volumes of material while maintaining stability and operational control. Its modular and durable construction ensures long-term reliability, even in challenging aquatic environments. Ideal for contractors and engineers seeking a dependable solution for dredging, sediment removal, and coastal engineering tasks, the Dike Delter delivers unmatched efficiency, productivity, and adaptability in water and land management operations.